Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to Happy and Joy World. I am Vishen Ganapati, and you're watching Idiom Star. Air your dirty laundry in public. My upstairs neighbors fight a lot and air their dirty laundry in public. Origin. Picture this. Instead of hanging your freshly washed laundry on a clothesline, you hang your dirty clothes out there in the air for all the world to see. Wouldn't that be embarrassing? Imagine that your dirty laundry represents secrets, personal matters, and that to air them means to discuss them out loud for anyone to hear. Some people use air your dirty linen in public, meaning to talk about your private disagreements or embarrassing matters in public, usually while quarreling. That's all for now. See you in the next episode. Say no to sympathy, say yes to empathy. That's why I learn idioms with Dushyant Ganapati.